today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Dakotaz thumbnail with GIMP. So first we're going to open GIMP. It's going to take a little while to open. Then we're going to click on File, New. We're going to change this to 1280 by 720. Now this is the thumbnail size for YouTube. So if you're gonna use this thumbnail, you'll need to use this. Then once we got this, we've got the basic thing. We're gonna do File, Open as Layers. And then we're just gonna find our background. You can just find one on YouTube, and then you gotta add it into your pictures or whatever. And we're gonna go over here to the scale tool. You're gonna click on the background, and then you're gonna scale it up so it fits. Now if it already blocks the whole background, it means that's a good size, so then it's good to use. You're gonna go File, Open as Layers. Now you're gonna choose a Dakotaz thumbnail. I've chosen this one. You're gonna drag that on the top in the layers over here. Never mind. Actually, I'll leave it under. Now click on your background. Click on your background, which is on top of your Dakotaz thumbnail. You're gonna take down the opacity a little bit, but make sure you're still selected, that it shows the gray on the background. You're gonna go to the free select tool, and then now you are just going to be cutting around the person. So just take a free select tool, just do a simple click for each of these. You don't need to hold it in, it's just like that. Find the other part, click, and then you basically got it. Just do that all the way around the whole person. So you see I've done the leg right here.
Got your main thing looking at us like what's up. Spinning all these bands, so these girls they show us love. How can I be down? Every day I'm counting up. 1, 2, 3, 4 shots. We don't give a fuck. Just left Miami. I'm going back to Cali. In the club with my family. Going hard with my family. I don't need a lot, just a fucking few. A few loyal real G's, that's my fucking crew. Party till the late night, yes we fucking do. Do we need another round? Yes we fucking do. Yes we fucking do. Yes we fucking do. I'm high in my penthouse with the city view. Party till the late night, yes we fucking do. Do we need another round? Yes we fucking do. Got your main thing looking at us like what's up. Spinning all these bands, so these girls they show us love. How can I be down? Every day I'm counting up. 1, 2, 3, 4 shots. We don't give a fuck. Just left Miami. I'm going back to Cali. In the club with my family. Going hard with my family. I don't need a lot, just a fucking few. A few loyal real G's, that's my fucking crew. Party till the late night, yes we fucking do. Do we need another round? Yes we fucking do. Yes we fucking do. Yes we fucking do. I'm high in my penthouse with the city.
Okay, so now that I've gone all the way around the person, I messed up a little bit here. Now what I did to solve that is I basically just try and make the next line as close as possible, so it wouldn't be that much of a difference. Then what we're gonna do after that, you can see all of this, you're gonna go up to the rectangle select tool, and click that, and then it's gonna make like this thing around it, and then we're gonna hit delete, on your keyboard. Delete. Okay. So now once we've done that, if we put this up to 100 opacity, you see this thing has magically appeared out of nowhere and is now visible through the layer. So now we can just scale. Never mind, we can't. Don't scale it. Don't do that because then it's gonna mess up the whole thing. So what we did is we took this thing, which is the background, we cut out an exact proportion of it. So this thing is behind. We cut out a part of this thing. So now if we go ahead and move this, I basically just cut out and then we just put that straight on top and then boom. Now once we've done that, we can open as layers. Alright. If you have it there, I have it in my downloads currently. So yeah, don't question why I have a weird face there. Anyways, I'm gonna drag that. Keep. Scale tool. Scale it up. We're just gonna do this, so this thing is on top. And we're gonna make sure we selected this. And then we're gonna bring down the opacity. Then bring this like cool effect to it. I'm gonna take down the opacity of this a little bit. I'm gonna find some gold background. Oh my god. We're gonna find a gold background. I forgot to do this. Just gonna go on Google. We're just gonna find a gold background. Which gold background do I like? I will just take this one, why not? Save picture as. Go in here. Open as layers. Pictures. This is pictures. And then was images. Alright, bring it all the way onto the top. I'm gonna put it behind this thing. And then we're gonna select this. Scale it. Bring down the opacity. And then we got that. Just gonna move. Boom. And then once we got that, we're gonna go here. This is the text tool. We're going to create a text box. And then this one's gonna say whatever you want. I'm just gonna make it Dakotaz. I will leave a link to this font in the description. It's the wait, what? Oh, there we go. Noyh Geometric Slim Heavy. This is one that Dakotaz uses. We're just gonna make this any color we want. I'm just gonna make it orange, why not? Like that. So we're gonna make this orange. We highlighted it and then we went in the bottom here, made it orange. I'm gonna scale it up. We're gonna go here. We're gonna create, we're gonna create a new one. And then this one's just gonna say thumbnail. So Dakotaz thumbnail. And I'm just gonna make this one white. Now I like to have the two the same size, so like this. We can just merge, so we right click the top one, we're going to do merge down, and then it merges these two layers. So we got those two. Now before you do that, make sure that the texts are on the top So we're just gonna do this. Select the top one, go to thumbnail. We're gonna bring this one down where we like it. Yeah, I like that. That was pretty cool. I'm gonna turn down the opacity of this a little. Yep, I like that. That was pretty cool. So then we can go here, and you can go export as, and then you can export wherever you want. Now, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like, share, subscribe. I'm so close to 50. I'm at 48 subscribers at the moment, I think. But anyways, leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Hope you learned something. And I will see you guys in the next video.
Motherfucking look in my eye, bruh. Pull up in that